Well, hello, it's Bears back. Got a lock for you today. It's Daz Evers number 60. There's the bedding on the key. Works smooth. I got a little funky tail piece here, but that's okay. Alright, I'm going to load it up and get started. Alright. Okay, I'm back. Got it loaded up. We're going to see about getting in this thing. I want to use a Daz Evers everyday pick. So, I'm going to go all the way to the back here. I'm going to try to get in the light for you guys. Yeah, I might have to reshoot this for the lighting. Doggone it. Hang on just a second. Maybe I can go get around that. Yeah, there we go. I think that's enough. One more? Yeah, one more is better. Alright. Ooh, I just hit like 4 and I got a drop. Okay. Up here in 2 and 3 and moving back to the back. Now I'm in the back. Okay. That was 5. Moving forward. Okay. Oh. That's nice and crunchy. Wow. Okay. Now I'm moving forward again. Ooh. Oh, I just got a huge drop. I was off of number 2, I think. It just really kicked over. Yeah. See what's holding me from getting there all the way here. Well, I think it might be this one. Number 3 might be holding me. Maybe. Uh-oh. I don't know. I don't want to lose everything. Oh, I just dropped that. Excuse me. I'm going to try this one because I wasn't getting under that very well. It's like really hanging and it's not supposed to hang, I don't think. Oh, no. I think I hit a false set of some kind. Right there, yeah. Let me go back. See if I can get out of it. Or I mean a trap, you know, not a false set, but no. Ew. This thing's really over that way. I can get on this pin, rotate it. Did I get it though? Don't think I did. And feel. Well, maybe. Yeah, I did. I got it. Whew. I did get it. Wow. That was a battle. It's got me shaking now. Wow. Woohoo. Get that out of the way. Move the key. Let me have pinning board. My steel pinning board. Okay, my pusher, there it is. Got a clip back here. Yeah.
Pusher may not be big enough. Let me get my I'm catching a lip there. Look at him catching this. What the heck? Here. Are you kidding? Come here. Wow. It's like giving me a fight. Holy crap. What are you hung on? Okay, little booger. That's something for you. Meet Mr. Screwdriver. What is the problem? I've never seen anything hang in so hard. Jeez, OP. Wow.
Finally, holy crud. There we go again with fighting it. I don't know if we got room, but we'll find out. For a shim. Yeah, it feels like it. Okay. Whew. And it looks like number one is the overset trap. And ooh. See how the pins are in. Okay. Here we go. I'm in. I want to get going. Four and five. Alright, well, I think that one's upside down again. Thought I had it up right, but I didn't. Okay, we got, looks like standard in 1, threading in 2 and 3, undercutting in 4, undercutting and threading in 5. Okay, let's go up top. And tweezers. Where do my tweezers go? Tweezer, come here, come here, come here. Where are you? There you are. Found them. Alrighty. Be able for you guys to see this. Standard in number 1 because it's so long, bottom pin, and basically an overset type trap. Ooh. Nice. Wow. Come on, baby. Well, yeah, I hate that. I hate that when it doesn't cooperate. I know, use your pinning tweezers. That was funny. One of my friends, I think it was BLP60, said that. Alright, that's another scary one. Hey, that one come out. They're running away from me. It's conspiracy, I tell you. They hate me. Rotten little boogers. I'm gonna beat the camera up now, cause oh, you little booger. Well, you just spin all over the place. Hopefully I get that out right. Okay, that's below, so I'll go in the back and I'll get these. This and then that other spring. Get this accomplished here. Wow, that one had some shoot on it. Get in there. And a spring to that one. Right there. Cool. What a long booger. And then we got our other spring. There. Alrighty. Let's see what evilness we have in the top. Got threading. That would be 5. Just threading in 5, it looks like. Yeah. Because that's the front with the dimple. Okay. This is Daz Evers, number 60. And here's the evil that lurked within. Yeah, kill this light here. Maybe I'll show up a little better, focus better. On this overset trap was nice. Then you had some double spools, or serrated if you want to call them, long wide serrations, and then this little guy that'll get you, and that beautiful tapered down pin up top with a ball like an arrow point or something, and then this tapered down job, which is pretty nasty. Now this one probably went upside down. This probably upside down. I think that T-pin might have been facing this way, but I'll look at it and see how it came out. But yeah, that's some mean pins. Okay, thank you for watching, and stay legal and have fun, guys. Thanks a lot. Bye.